Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting and serious performance motorcycles to come out of Italy, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory. This is not simply a motorcycle designed to look fast. The RSV4 Factory is built around the idea of bringing race-bred technology, aggressive styling, advanced electronics, and breathtaking performance together in a package that can be enjoyed on both the road and the racetrack. If you love superbikes, Italian engineering, and motorcycles that feel like they belong on a starting grid, you're definitely going to want to stay with me until the end. The Aprilia RSV4 has built an impressive reputation over the years, and the factory version represents the more premium and performance-focused side of the RSV4 family. Aprilia has always approached superbike development differently, concentrating heavily on chassis performance, engine character, electronics, aerodynamics, and rider connection. The result is a motorcycle that looks dramatic even when it is standing still, but becomes something completely different once the engine comes alive. At first glance, the RSV4 Factory immediately tells you that this is a serious machine. The bodywork is compact, sharp, and aerodynamic, with a design that appears to have been shaped by airflow rather than by fashion. The front end is aggressive, the fairings are tightly wrapped around the mechanical components, and every section of the motorcycle communicates performance. This is the kind of bike that can attract attention in a parking lot, but its real purpose becomes obvious when it starts moving. The design also reflects Aprilia's racing heritage. The RSV4 platform has spent years developing its identity through competition, and you can see that influence in the riding position, bodywork, frame philosophy, and overall proportions. The motorcycle looks narrow and purposeful, giving the rider the impression that they are sitting inside the machine rather than simply on top of it. And then there is the heart of the motorcycle, the V4 engine. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is powered by a high-performance V4 configuration that has become one of the defining features of this superbike. Instead of using the more common inline-4 arrangement found on many competitors, Aprilia chose a V4 layout, and that decision gives the RSV4 a distinctive personality. The sound is one of the first things you notice. A V4 superbike has a character that is difficult to confuse with anything else. At low speeds, there is a deep mechanical presence, but as the revs rise, the engine transforms into a sharp, exhilarating soundtrack. Under hard acceleration, the RSV4 feels alive, urgent, and extremely responsive. Performance is, of course, one of the main reasons people look at a motorcycle like this. The RSV4 Factory sits firmly in the leader-class superbike category, where horsepower figures are extremely high and manufacturers compete over acceleration, cornering ability, braking performance, electronics, and lap times. Depending on the exact model year and market specification, output can be well into the 200 horsepower territory. But raw horsepower is only part of the story. A motorcycle can have enormous power and still be difficult to ride if the chassis, suspension, electronics, and engine delivery are not properly balanced. Aprilia has spent considerable effort making sure the RSV4 is not simply a straight-line missile. The goal is to make that power usable. This is where the chassis becomes extremely important. The RSV4 Factory is designed around a lightweight, performance-oriented platform with an emphasis on handling precision. On a racetrack, a superbike spends far more time turning, braking, accelerating out of corners, and changing direction than simply traveling in a straight line. That means chassis behavior can be just as important as engine power. The factory version also receives high-end suspension components and premium braking hardware, depending on the specific model year. These components are designed to provide the rider with better control when entering corners, accelerating out of turns, and dealing with aggressive riding conditions. For an experienced rider, that level of adjustability can make a huge difference. The brakes are another major part of the RSV4 experience. When you're riding a motorcycle capable of this level of acceleration, you need braking performance that can match it. High-performance Brembo equipment has been associated with the RSV4 Factory, providing strong stopping power and excellent control. On a racetrack, braking is not simply about stopping the bike. It is about controlling speed precisely while preparing the motorcycle for the corner ahead. The suspension and brakes also contribute to rider confidence. When you know the motorcycle can respond accurately to your inputs, you can focus more on your riding technique. That is one of the biggest differences between an ordinary motorcycle and a genuine superbike. Now let's talk about electronics, because modern superbikes are almost as much about software as they are about engines and hardware. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory comes equipped with an advanced electronic package designed to help the rider manage its tremendous performance. Depending on the model year, the motorcycle can offer sophisticated systems such as multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking management, and cornering-sensitive rider assistance. These systems are not designed to make the motorcycle less exciting. Instead, they help the rider use more of the available performance while maintaining a greater level of control. The electronics are especially valuable when conditions change. A rider may want a different response for everyday road riding than they would use on a racetrack. Modern superbikes allow those characteristics to be adjusted, giving the motorcycle different personalities depending on the situation. One of the most impressive aspects of the RSV4 Factory is how closely its electronics are integrated with the motorcycle's performance hardware. The goal is not simply to have a long list of features. The goal is to make the engine, chassis, brakes, suspension, and electronic systems work together. The riding position is another area worth discussing. The RSV4 Factory is unmistakably a sport bike. It has a committed riding position, rear set foot controls, and ergonomics designed with aggressive riding in mind. This is not the kind of motorcycle you choose primarily for relaxed cruising across the country. However, that does not mean the motorcycle cannot be ridden on the street. Experienced riders can use it for road riding, but its capabilities are far beyond what most public roads can safely or legally exploit. A motorcycle like this really starts to make sense when you have access to a controlled environment such as a racetrack. And that is an important point. When a motorcycle can produce more than 200 horsepower, the public road is not the place to explore its limits. The RSV4 Factory deserves respect. Its acceleration and cornering potential can quickly exceed normal road conditions, so responsible riding and proper protective equipment are absolutely essential. The aerodynamic design is also becoming increasingly important in modern superbikes. At high speeds, airflow has a major effect on stability, rider comfort, and performance. The RSV4's bodywork is shaped to manage that airflow, while the overall design keeps the motorcycle compact and focused. Aprilia has also developed aerodynamic solutions for the RSV4 platform, with winglet-style elements and other airflow management features appearing on modern versions. These details are not merely for appearance. At high speeds, aerodynamic load can influence how the motorcycle behaves during acceleration and cornering. Another area where the RSV4 Factory stands out is its relationship with racing. Aprilia has a long history in motorcycle competition, and the RSV4 became especially significant through Aprilia's superbike racing efforts. That racing background helped establish the V4 Superbike as an important part of the company's identity. When you look at the RSV4 Factory, you can therefore understand why it feels so focused. It is not trying to be everything for everyone. It is designed for riders who want an uncompromising performance motorcycle with Italian character. The styling is another major attraction. Italian motorcycles are often appreciated for combining mechanical performance with visual drama, and the RSV4 Factory is a perfect example. The sharp lines, compact proportions, racing-inspired graphics, exposed mechanical details, and premium components create a motorcycle that looks special from almost every angle. The instrument display also reflects the modern nature of the motorcycle. A contemporary superbike needs to provide the rider with a huge amount of information, including speed, engine speed, riding mode, electronic settings, and other performance data. The digital display helps bring all of this information together without relying on traditional analog gauges. For riders who enjoy customization, the electronic settings can become part of the ownership experience. You can spend time understanding how different modes affect throttle response, traction intervention, engine braking, and other characteristics. The more experienced the rider becomes, the more useful those adjustments can be. But what makes the RSV4 Factory truly special is the combination of all these elements. The engine alone is impressive. The chassis alone is impressive. The brakes, suspension, electronics, and aerodynamics are impressive individually. But when everything works together, the motorcycle becomes something greater than the sum of its parts. There is also an emotional side to owning a motorcycle like this. A superbike is not always a practical purchase. You do not buy an RSV4 Factory because it is the cheapest way to travel from one location to another. You buy it because motorcycles can be emotional machines. You buy it because you appreciate engineering, sound, speed, design, and the feeling of controlling a highly sophisticated machine. For American riders, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory offers something different from the more familiar Japanese superbikes. Brands like Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, and Suzuki have enormous reputations in the United States, but Aprilia brings a distinctly Italian interpretation of the superbike formula. It is exotic, technologically advanced, and relatively uncommon compared with some mainstream competitors. That exclusivity can be part of the appeal. Seeing an RSV4 Factory on an American road is not the same experience as seeing a motorcycle that is everywhere. The Aprilia name itself carries a strong connection to European motorcycle racing and performance engineering. Of course, ownership of a high-performance European motorcycle also means that potential buyers should think about maintenance, dealership availability, insurance, tires, fuel, and other running costs. A machine like this should be purchased with an understanding of what it takes to properly maintain a high-performance superbike. Tires are especially important. A motorcycle with this much performance deserves high-quality tires that match the intended use. Riders who spend time on a racetrack may choose track-oriented rubber, while street riders need tires designed to provide reliable grip across a wider range of temperatures and road conditions. Fuel consumption is also not likely to be the primary concern for someone buying an RSV4 Factory. This is a performance motorcycle, and aggressive riding will naturally consume more fuel. The purpose of the motorcycle is performance, not maximum economy. So, who is the Aprilia RSV4 Factory really for? It is for riders who understand what a superbike is and want something that feels special every time they start the engine. It is for someone who appreciates the character of a V4, premium suspension, advanced electronics, strong brakes, aggressive aerodynamics, and a chassis designed for serious cornering. It is also a motorcycle for someone who respects the machine. You do not need to ride at extreme speeds to enjoy an RSV4 Factory. In fact, much of the enjoyment can come from simply understanding how the motorcycle works, feeling its throttle response, appreciating its chassis balance, and learning to ride it smoothly. As we look toward the future, superbikes like the RSV4 Factory show us how far motorcycle technology has progressed. Modern performance motorcycles combine mechanical engineering, electronics, aerodynamics, materials science, and software in ways that would have seemed impossible decades ago. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory represents that evolution while still preserving something important: character. The V4 engine gives it a distinctive sound and personality, while the Italian design gives it a visual identity that separates it from the crowd. And that may be the biggest reason why the RSV4 Factory remains so interesting. It is not simply about numbers on a specification sheet. It is about the experience. It is about hearing the V4 climb through the rev range, feeling the chassis respond to your inputs, seeing the sophisticated electronics working in the background, and knowing that beneath you is a motorcycle developed with serious performance in mind. For riders who are searching for a superbike that offers a combination of extreme performance, advanced technology, premium components, and unmistakable Italian character, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory deserves a place on the list. Before we wrap up, remember that motorcycles at this performance level should always be treated with respect. Wear proper protective gear, understand your riding abilities, follow local laws, and save high-speed performance testing for a controlled track environment. So, what do you think about the Aprilia RSV4 Factory? Does the Italian V4 character make it more exciting than the traditional inline-4 superbikes, or would you choose another machine in this class? Let us know your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep look at the Aprilia RSV4 Factory, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews, new model coverage, performance bikes, and automotive content from around the world. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, share it with another motorcycle enthusiast, and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next upload. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is more than just a fast motorcycle. It is a showcase of Italian performance engineering, a machine shaped by racing experience, modern electronics, aerodynamic development, and the unmistakable personality of a V4 engine. It is aggressive, sophisticated, emotional, and built for riders who want something far beyond ordinary transportation. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe, ride smart, and I'll see you in the next video.